YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, retro gang. Man, this your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks, coming back at you in the shoebox. Look, hope everybody enjoying their day today. But you know the routine by now, right? Well, if you don't, go ahead, hit that like button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. That means share this video. As well as you want to become a part of this movement, subscribe. Keep them notification bells on. Stay here. You never know. We're going to keep hitting y'all over the head with this heat and content. Speaking of heat check here in the shoebox. Glad to have this pair here in the shoebox. Not going to hold y'all up because I'm looking at it. I want to bring it out. Before I bring it out, we on YouTube Live tonight. So if y'all catch this video now, we posting 2 videos. I will be on YouTube Live tonight. Y'all pull up. But not gonna hold y'all up. Nike SB unboxing, the collab with Sivlas, a skate shop out there in Berlin. Sheesh. Retail for $100 plus tax in your neck of the woods. Now, it was a friends and family box. I couldn't get my hands on that box. I wish I could, and I'll explain to you why I wish I could have literally got my hands on that box. But like I say, it's $100 plus tax in your neck of the woods. Nike Sneaker app or Nike.com. They didn't drop it. It was only at skate shops. They might drop it in the future. Y'all pay attention to Soul Link or 23 app. You just never know what they're going to put up, you know, especially Soul Link or Twitter. They might put a link out to let y'all know when they're dropping them, or y'all go ahead and download the cop date. A lot of these skate shops are doing a lot of releases on cop date now. So y'all pay attention. Times have changed, so I want to keep y'all linked in the forum. Speaking of LinkedIn and the forum, let's go. Now this pair is coming up black. It's coming up black. Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike. Like I told you, $100 plus tax. I know you've seen one SB, you've seen them all, but not with this particular collab with the skate shop out there in Berlin. They snapped on this pair. I think that skate shop has been there since 2004 or 5. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments below. But the collab is crazy. It's supposed to, you know, represent Berlin back in '91 when the wall fell. You know, when the wall fell. And then as well as is that black look. You know, Berlin, they wear a lot of black out there in Berlin. It'd be dark out there a lot. But from what I was reading and understanding on this particular shoe, I'm like, man, this shoe just plain. Don't go nowhere. Gang, Retro family, YouTube, do not go nowhere. You do not want to miss this. I promise you. I'm going to explain to you. I want to give it a little justice. From what I was hearing, the people that designed it, they go out and party at the clubs and stuff a lot. And this shoe has actually changed colors. It's black now. They got the technology that they used on this shoe. Shout out to Nike and SB in the collab, where this shoe actually changed color with the heat. So if it's cold outside, from I'm understanding, if it's like 80, I think 88, or above, change the temperature of this shoe. Right now I had it in the freezer. Not gonna hold you up so I can keep the temperature because I got a lot of lights in here. That's why I'm sweating. I was gonna put it on the retro rotation, but I want to just give y'all my opinion. Y'all give y'all an up close and personal look of what's gonna happen with the shoe. So let's hop into it. Nike on the back. You got Nike on, you got the Nike SB stitching on the tongue with a yellow check, like a boat almost. Inside, don't worry, stick around. You know how I do. I'm gonna give y'all a detailed review of the shoe. Got the smiley face inside. Says Sivlas, Nike SB. See how the inside look? Don't go nowhere. Well, it's starting to do a little something now. If you're kind of paying attention, the way I'm touching it, and that's what I mean about this technology they got. Let's get into this other one for it heat up. It's heating up in here. Literally heating up. So you got 3 laces on this Nike collab. You got the red laces, which is dope. I'm gonna explain. You got the yellow. You got the blue. Sheesh. Man. Now, I know it's black. Like I said, you can wear the shoe rocket during the winter time or whatever. Let's hop right into it, man. I'm just so excited to have this shoe here. I'm not gonna even hold y'all up. Not gonna play with y'all. Even on the lace, the laces, you got the yellow tips. Is it changing on me yet? Let me start heating it up. Let's heat up. Let's see. If not, we're gonna speed up the process for you so we can give y'all the whole effect on the shoe. Now you see that thermal. My hands are kind of hot, so you can kind of see it changing. I put it in the freezer, so now, of course, it's going back real quick. They almost look burgundy, but I promise you, it is black when you actually, you know, rock it till the temperature starts changing. let me show y'all real quick. So right here, your boy went on got a blow dryer. I got Matty blow dryer. You know, Matty, hope you gonna get mad at me. I got to show everybody what it do. Retro toe box. Heat the shoe up, and the whole shoe gives you that thermal look like of a weather mat. Might take a little while. Like I said, I hid it in the freezer. We're gonna see what we can do with it. You already see the toe box changing. Let's see if we can change it. Okay, I had it actually. You know, I use a blow dryer. I had it on cold. So now I switched it to hot. And now y'all getting that whole thermal look of the shoe. It went from black to literally a whole new shoe. I hope it's pulling up with these lights in here on the thermal. Keep this thing up some more. Man, this is a dope collab. Hey, excuse me for talking over the blow dryer, but now y'all can see. Let me grab the other shoe. This is how it looks. Sheesh, let's go. Or you gonna rock it black. This is why I think it's a dope collab. In my personal opinion, this might be shoe of the year. Definitely SB of the year. But I'm still thinking shoe of the year. I had to bring that to y'all. I was gonna put it on YouTube Live, but it wouldn't do the justice. I had to bring it in that 4K quality. And I appreciate y'all for watching this content. We're gonna hit y'all with some more content, I promise you. You know what we say around here. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Sheesh. Let's go. YouTube Live tonight, man. Y'all pull up. We dropping this video now, though. Let's get it. Up and close with the shoe.
Let's go. What up, Retro? Yeah, let's go. Let's get it. Stay sleep. Break you dead, Retro. No, Retro, yo, he be the man. Yeah. Cause he get them hits in advance. Yeah. Stockpile them straight to the box. Woo. You can't find them, just get at my mans. You see him, just check out the kicks. All the haters, they drowning the drip. If you scuffing me, don't even trip. It's back to the box and switch. Retro, yo, he with the shit. Check out the channel with full of content. Matty Kicks will sit or lit. It don't get no better than this. Retro gang. Yo, they be the fam. Double strong, mighty they fan. Mighty lines in the 80 the man. Pull up in the old school. Better act like you know, dude. Cause when he hop out, all they can say is look at the shoes. Give it back to the peeps. That brother paying his dues. Getting blessed by the best. So how can he lose? Real